listen to this fire up, all right? I haven't even installed any parts yet. Just tuned it. I mean, that's good.
Wow.
Right? It's lower.
Yeah.
Just smooth. Yeah. All right, what's going on, everybody? We are back with another video here on the Enebo Racing channel. Today we are gonna be throwing a little ignition tune-up onto the 92. We've got spark plugs, distributor cap, and rotor. I think that's it. And so we're gonna throw these in here real quick, and Monica is gonna watch me. So to change this cap quick and easy, I usually will just line up the cap with the notch here. It's got a notch over here as well. And then I usually will just kind of take it one at a time. Just go in a circle. You can kind of reorient them when you're done. Gets it out of the way.
You sound funny.
Yeah, just boom. Bam. It's just new. I'll show you what's new about it. So, in theory, just pop this clip, boom.
What's that?
So now that's the rotor. These are definitely aftermarket because this is original. Burnt marks. That's where the rotor contacts it.
Wow.
Cap is worn, so that'll be nice. And then we got a new rotor to go in there too.
Oh,
Bam, part numbers for you if you like. Got them. You know, you only want to have to do this once, may as well fork over. Copper, pretty sure, bang. Super cool. There we go. Pretty sure it's, yeah, got that little lock there, so you know. And then you just slide this one down. Boom, bam.
Snap them in.
Snap them in. Sick. And so from here, now you got your wires. You know where they're going. And you can change up the orientation or however you'd like to do it. We're probably going to go into time-lapse mode. Got some spark plugs to throw in here. Once again, part numbers if you want them. I think these are just some copper plugs. Nothing fancy. Couple bucks a plug. Check the gap. Bam, baby. Old blues. Gap to 50 thousandths per the Chilton's manual. So got the gap dialed in, and we're just going to toss these in real quick. So we just got a little 5/8 spark plug socket. Take this wire up. He said they had been changed really not too long ago, but you know, we'll start the car off with a fresh set of plugs under new ownership here, because we're gonna beat the daylights out of this thing. So let's see. Oh yeah, not bad. They got some weird Bosch platinum plugs in it. We're gonna swap them out. Let's put a little anti-seize on them. Alright, so we got the first driver's side bank out. Look at the difference. I mean, all around the plug is shorter when you're looking at it. Look how much shorter it is. It's crazy. Anyway, got the old Bosch crapos out of there. Back to the basics here, folks. But yeah, we'll knock out this passenger side and we should be good. so now we got all the spark plugs in, and while I'm under here, I'm actually going to loom these spark plug wires the way that I've seen on other people's videos, like Brutal. He did it a pretty cool way, and so I'm going to try and copy that with some zip ties. And so, yeah, let me show you what we're going to do. All right, so we got the zip tie tech going on. Basically just going to manage these cables, make sure they're all in line. Basically, you're just going to get a zip tie. You just put one big zip tie around the end. Then you're going to loop these zip ties through. And just kind of, you don't have to tighten them, but you just snug them for now. And then you just go through and you separate the wires with these zip ties. Nothing fancy. Zip them up, and then you can kind of snug them. You just kind of measure, boom, bam, 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 boom, 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 boom. Flip these little guys down, hidden out the way. Rotate that one down, boom. So yeah, I'll probably just do 2 on this side, but as you can tell, just, you know, cleans things up, makes them nice and routed. They're all separated. Pretty sweet. And I got this one done on this side. I just gotta kind of do one more down here. So we're gonna do the same measurement from there to there. We'll do one more there to there, and then we'll be done. Alright, so we got sweet, good looking spark plug wires when you pop the hood. Nice and organized. Looking sweet. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. We got some nice new spark plugs installed here. I'm glad I got those Bosch Platinum plugs out. I think the Motorcraft copper should make it run a little more like it's supposed to. So that was nice. And then we got the little spark plug wire looms on there as well. So that's really cool. Always wanted to do that. And yeah, makes it look a lot better. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I also do like it when you guys comment questions. I like answering those, so that's always cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, stay rippin'.